Hi friends, welcome back to our Arts and Craft channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a quill art bird. Okay, let's start it. For doing this, you need 2 strips of one color, half strip of another color and half strip of another color. First, stick the 2 strips with glue. The 2 strips with same color. See, like this. Now coil it. See, like this. And now you need to loosen it. See, like this. And now we'll stick it with the glue. Like this. And now we'll coil these two. Now I have coiled everything. Now we need to catch it, see, like this, and we need to make a pail C like this. See, you need to pinch it here and push it upwards. See, like this. See, like this. And now we should make this one also a pail C. See, like this. This is one of its wing. See, it should be like this, and this is its beak. See, you need to pinch it on the one side, so it should come like this. See, and you need to keep it like this. See, you need to stick it all, and you need to make a eye. You need to cut a white paper round, and you need to mark a black sketch on it. And now our quill art bird is done. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.